In our 164 years of making windows and doors, we here at Mathews Brothers have seen more than our share of election campaigns, and each one has been a doozy. But instead of paying attention to this particular cycle of fake news, questionable science, dubious ancestry, and quirky words, we ignore it all, remain grounded in the real world, and focus our attention on something BIGLY. At Mathews Brothers, we're concentrating on the genuine debut of an incredibly advanced window family named for one of the authentic original Mathews Brothers and was inspired by our internal initiative called Think BIGLY, a word which means breakthrough innovations grow literally huge. And the bigger the breakthrough, the huger it will grow. Or is it more huge? Whatever it is, never will it be more true than it will be for the Sanford Hills window family, a product line so innovative, so breakthrough, so huge that BIGLY doesn't begin to describe it. You can learn more about our BIGLY amazing, wicked awesome Maine-made windows and doors, but only at better lumber yards and window professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.